But let's just say that the learning curve from the novice then going up to like to the level that you at right now, meron bang mga taong humadlang sa growth mo? Or sa banda, sasabihin nila, oh, Kiko, ano ba yan? Lagi na lang sumasablay.
Well, not really. Well, although way back before the film, it happens. Pero usually, good thing way back in the films, I got introduced to sa mga biyahero na musicians who travels. And then along the way, I catch up with them, teach me the technique. Kumbaga,
Ako, I don't think na may somebody try to mess with Kiko because lagot sila kayo dyan eh.
Sino bang kuya sa inyo? Siya ang kuya. Siya ilan ba kayo magkakapatid? Tatlo. Sinong kuya ka? Siya, okay. Tapos yung pangatlo, lalaki din? Babae. Okay. Alright. Yan. Siya. Okay. Salamat. Salamat, Kiko.